Right, Tool Fam, shout out to Stan for the tip. Acme Tools is having a pretty decent flash sale as far as Metabo and Makita are concerned. Dewalt does have a 10% off, but you have to get over $250 worth of stuff. They also have a BOGO, and the Metabo multivolt router deal is still live and well going on over at Acme. But let's jump right into the stuff here. Right now over at Acme, on top of the flash sale, they have a variety of the brand new pack outs for sale. Now granted, these are pre-orders, but who knows how long these pre-orders will last. They've got the pack out rolling tool chest, they've got the deep organizer, and some of these do cost a premium, but they are unreleased as of yet. So if you want to be the first one to get in on this pack out goodness, I'll drop a link in the description down below for these items. Now what I like about this flash sale here is it applies to the brand new XGT lineup from Makita. So you're just going to pick whatever you want. I believe you've got to get to $350 to get the max discount. $50 off. You punch in Save Teal. You can get something like this rear handle circ saw with the battery, the bag, and the charger for $350. It's not terrible, but as far as I know, this is the only discount on XGT stuff so far. So as always, I'll leave a link for this in the description down below as well. And one last deal, Fasteners Inc. right now is killing it. This is the brand new 12 volt brushless cordless circ saw from Dewalt. I haven't even seen this thing in stores yet, and they've got it for 99 bucks bare tool. If you're in the 12 volt lineup and you need a handy dandy little saw with the rafter hook to take wherever, that's not bad. And yes, I know they had the stubby, the 1/2 inch stubby from Dewalt, which apparently is more powerful than the ketchup stubby. But alas, it did sell out pretty quickly yesterday. However, these guys are pretty good at restocking. I've got one in my cart. As soon as it goes live, I'm probably getting that bad boy. I think it's like 80 something dollars, something ridiculously cheap like that. So take my advice, go to Fasteners Inc. Even if it's sold out, drop it into the cart, wait for it to come back in stock, and buy it then. That's it for now, fam. Have at it. Good luck.